Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Wealthfront for investment profile setup, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start authorizing with Wealthfront, visit their official website or open the app. If you are not already a member, create a new account by providing your email address. Choose a secure password that you will remember. Once registered, log into your Wealthfront account using your credentials. You will be directed to the investment profile setup page. Begin by answering the initial questions about your financial goals. These questions may include your investment timeline and risk tolerance. Make sure to read each question carefully before selecting your answers. After completing the initial questions, you will be asked to link your bank account. Select the option to connect your bank account securely. You will be prompted to enter your banking credentials. Wealthfront uses bank-level security to ensure your information is safe. Once your bank account is linked, you may be asked to verify small test deposits. Check your bank statement for these transactions and input the amounts as instructed. After verification, proceed to set your investment preferences. You may customize your portfolio based on your risk appetite and investment goals. Review the proposed portfolio and make adjustments if necessary. Finally, confirm your settings to complete the authorization process. You will receive a confirmation that your investment profile is successfully set up. Congratulations, you are now ready to start investing with Wealthfront. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.